fun in those leaves, Gretchen? Let me see.
Let's walk into Smoky Joe.
Do you think he's going to come out of hiding for us?
For me, but he's very scared.
Oh.
Please pet him?
Sure, if he'll come to us.
Okay. But Smoky Joe is the same kind of isn't it? Look, a stick for me.
We have a stick for you. What about the walking stick Papa Doo made for you? Where's it?
But I have this one.
Okay, you take that one.
I take the stuffed one.
Yep.
Look, another one.
Holy, you're lucky. 2 walking sticks. Watch you don't poke yourself in the eye, darling.
Mama, this one's for me.
Oh, good.
This one's for you.
Thank you. You're so thoughtful.
Mama, you walking with the walking stick.
Yep, I am. Are you walking with yours?
Yeah. Let's see Smoky Joe and catch him.
Well, we need to put the sticks down first because he'll be scared of the sticks.
Oh.
Okay? So can we put the sticks up at the side of the yard?
Yeah.
Okay, that's a good girl.
I'll take yours.
Good girl. Is it stuck on Grandma? There you go. Oh, thank you. Are we going to find them? Okay, we have to walk quietly. Okay.
I said stuff fun.
Yeah?
Yeah. I can't see Smoky Joe. Smoky Joe is fun. Smoky Joe is high.
Is he hiding? Yeah, where does he usually hide?
Let's find him and pet him.
If we can find him.
And pet them. I want to pet it.
Yeah, me too, but he's been silly and hiding.
Pet. He's hiding over by there.
Is he?
Yeah.
Should we call him?
Yeah.
Do you know how to call him?
Pet here.
No, we whistle for him. Do you know how to whistle?
Yeah.
You're a good whistler. Whistle. You think he's coming? I hear the squirrels. I don't hear the cat. Here he comes. No, squirrel.
Where's the cat?
I don't know.
Grandma?
Yes, darling.
I'm looking for him.
Are you?
Maybe I can find him. And maybe not. Walking deep, Grandma.
Walking on the stepping stones?
Yeah. It's like Smoky Joe on the stepping stone. See? Just walk through that. And just walk through that. And just walk through that. And just walk through that.
Is there too many leaves on them?
And one on step. There's 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 one there. Mama?
Yes, dear.
I go. The other one.
You're hopping like a bunny rabbit.
Baba, you do lots of things. Step on this.
Step on that one?
Yeah.
Okay. Grandma's got to turn off the camera first.
Okay.
Can you blow me a kiss? Got it. Oh, beautiful. Thank you. See you later, alligator.
Hello, crocodile.
On the moon baboon.
Hello, balloon.
In the dump jump.
Hello, jet tank.
When you're...
Lion.
when you're fetching
Second.
in your hair.
Hair player. Grandma.
You're so sweet. I love you, darling.